Nestled at the foot of the Córdoba Mountains in La Calera, Argentina, the MP House, by architects Gastón Sironi and Valentina Machado, seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. The design preserves the site's dense vegetation and follows the natural slope, allowing the residents to harmoniously meld with the landscape. Constructed with exposed concrete, the house blends with the horizon, maintaining an empathic relationship with the context. This thoughtful design not only responds to its structural demands, but also ensures that the residence maintains an empathic relationship with its surroundings. The use of exposed concrete for both partitions and slabs allows the house to blend seamlessly into the horizon, creating a tranquil mountain sanctuary that is at one with the landscape. The layout of the house is meticulously planned to maximize the awe-inspiring views, with primary living spaces facing downslope towards the cityscape. The service areas resolve the encounter between the house and the mountain, ensuring minimal disruption to the environment. Both volumes have anterior and posterior transition spaces, generating flexibility and continuity in all-use environments. The terrace on the private volume serves as support and expansion for the social area. The MP House stands as a testament to the beauty of architecture that listens to its environment. Embracing the contours of the land and using materials that blend with its surroundings, the house offers an inspiring lesson in balance and respect for nature. It reminds us that the best design is not one that dominates its environment, but one that coexists gracefully, creating a space where human life and nature can thrive together in harmony.